If you are looking to bring professional, large-format printing right into your office or home studio without sacrificing space or budget, the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21 is a total game-changer. This isn't just a printer. It's a compact, high-precision powerhouse designed to turn your big ideas into high-quality posters, CAD drawings, and vibrant displays with ease. Canon is famous for their legendary print quality, and the TC-21 brings that same caliber of color accuracy and sharp line detail to a 24-inch format that actually fits on a desk or a stand in a smaller workspace. Here is why the imagePROGRAF TC-21 is the perfect addition to your creative setup. True large format flexibility. With its 24-inch print width, you can produce everything from eye-catching marketing posters and detailed architectural plots to vibrant art prints. It's designed to handle a variety of project types with professional results every time. Seamless workflow. Forget the manual hassle of switching media. The automatic roll and cut sheet paper feeder handles your materials for you, making it easy to jump between long banners and individual sheets without downtime. Ready to go out of the box. We know you don't want to be hunting for supplies after unboxing. That's why this package includes 280 milliliters of ink, getting you started on your first professional-grade projects immediately. Precision performance. Whether you are working on fine lines for technical plans or high-density colors for graphic designs, the TC-21 delivers the clarity and saturation that Canon's imagePROGRAF line is known for. It ensures your work looks exactly the way you intended it to. Space-saving design. Despite being a large-format beast, its footprint is remarkably small. It is one of the few printers of this caliber that doesn't demand a dedicated room, making it ideal for home-based businesses, design firms, and architectural offices alike. If you are tired of outsourcing your big prints and dealing with third-party turnaround times, it is time to bring that control in-house. You will save time, cut costs, and gain the freedom to iterate on your designs whenever inspiration strikes. If you are ready to take your output to the next level with a reliable, professional-grade 24-inch printer, you can find the best price for the Canon imagePROGRAF TC-21 by clicking the link below.